Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Dalam video hari ini, saya akan ajar cara menggunakan formula yang berkaitan dengan dielectric constant epsilon R apabila dielectric is being inserted between the plates. Okay, so apa yang ada kat dalam soalan ni adalah diberikan capacitor which is empty capacitor. Okay, empty capacitor saya ni C0 lah. C0 sama dengan 1.2 microfarad. Okay, seterusnya diberikan V. Ini V0 saya ataupun sama dengan V which is equal to 12 volt. Kenapa saya katakan equals to 12 V? Ini ada kaitan dengan dia kata with the capacitor connected to the battery, meaning that battery is connected in the process. Once the capacitor is fully charged, the battery is still there. So, kenapa battery sama? Battery remains in the circuit. Bateri masih lagi ditinggalkan. That is why my voltage across capacitor, whether the capacitor is has not been inserted with the dielectric initially atau selepas itu, after dielectric being inserted, bateri masih ada. Sebab itulah capacitor saya ada voltage yang tetap constant. Okay. Seterusnya, as a result, 2.6 times 10 to the power of negative 5 coulomb of charges flow from one plate through the battery. Apakah maksudnya 2.6 ni? There is 2.6 atau 26 microcoulomb adalah Q yang added to the capacitor. So Q added adalah 2.6 times 10 to the power of negative 5 coulomb, ataupun disebabkan saya nanti nak remain microcoulomb bagi Q, disebabkan C adalah in micro unit, microcoulomb unit, microfarad, dan saya nak kaitkan dengan kapasitor nanti, so saya lebih selesa dengan 26 microcoulomb of charge. Okay, so from here I can find my new Q. Q new adalah sama dengan 26 microcoulomb plus my Q daripada initial capacitor. So I want to find my Q not from C and V. So saya ada C naught equal to Q naught over V naught. So Q naught sama dengan C naught darab dengan V naught. Saya dapat 1.2 micro darab dengan 12. So my initial charge before the dielectric has been inserted 14.4 microcoulomb. Okay, itu yang ada. Saya pindahkanlah yang ini ke bawah. So my Q0 adalah 14.4 microcoulomb. So my new Q after the dielectric has been inserted, 26 micro plus 14.4 micro to be equals to 40.4 microcoulomb of charge. Soalan saya tadi nak cari dielectric constant. So, to have dielectric constant, saya kena kaitkan dengan formula. Formula bagi dielectric, epsilon R sama dengan C over C0. So I don't want to find C because I have Q and my V is constant. So from mathematics I can have C equals to Q over V0 divided by Q0 over V0. Why we have both V0? Because the V is constant. This C is my new C, where Q is also my new Q. So to simplify this equation, I have Q new over V0 times V0 over Q0. Cancel out this V0. So epsilon R can be determined by Q new or Q divided by the initial Q, and my Q new is 40.4 micro divided by Q0 equals to 14.4 micro. So with my calculator, 40.4 divided by 14.4, 2.8. is my dielectric constant. I don't have unit for this dielectric constant because our unit has been cancelled here. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you very much. See you in next video. Thank you.